This is the Bay925. I'm making a voiceover because I didn't record the audio. And in this video, we unboxed the Alakazam EX Collection Scarlet and Violet 151 Pokemon box. It comes with 3 promo cards and 4 boosters. And the promo cards are Alakazam, so you can see right there. Here's the code you get in here. You get this code right here. I'm going to show you right now. So here's the code. Here are the 3 promo cards you get. You get Abra, Kadabra, and Alakazam. The actual camera right there. Like no glare, nothing. We got a Butterfree. Then actually, I think with the camera, like it's like flips it. Do you know what I mean? Like it flips the card. But I'm gonna try to flip it with here so you guys can actually see it. Like it flips it. It like flips it. You can hell see it. So webcam sucks. Ooh, I got the Charmander? Charmeleon. Ooh, this is clean. I'm like juice. That one was a sick card. I'm gonna flip the phone so I can actually record it. I don't like the that is clean. Look at that. It finally adjusted perfectly. Code right there. Sometimes do it, you sometimes do it, you sometimes don't do it. Let's see if it'll adjust here. Do it. Adjust, bro. Get a good view. No, it's not. So do it on the phone. Because the phone gets a good, the phone's getting a good quality. But we're gonna have to flip it. Give me something good. I feel like there's something good like that. I feel something shiny. Ooh. Is that our canine? Mr. Mime. I don't know how they do these. Like the cards are like random now. That's whatever. I tried. I'm trying. Code. Code. If I can get that close and do it, I'll do that. We're gonna try to get that close and see if it actually works. No, it does not. Oh, maybe a little bit. Oh, this doesn't look bad. Does not look bad at all. Oh, I finally got Bulbasaur. I got Jigglypuff. Oh, isn't this the rare Blastoise? Isn't Blastoise rare? Holy shit. Isn't it rare? Like I was checking the things, I think it is rare. Give me a good view, Vic. That is crazy, bro. Look at here, a better view. I'm gonna have to record the Blastoise. We're gonna have to look at that list and see if it's rare, because They said like one of these cards rare. Look at that card. Let me flip it like this. That is clean. That is a clean Blastoise. I think it's rare. I'm gonna look. We can pause this one.